Hi, I'm Doug with the product team here at Sophos, and today we're going to take a look at the root cause analysis tool that's featured with Sophos Intercept X. Now, in the Sophos Central Admin Console on the threat analysis page, we can see all of our threat analysis cases at a glance. If we click on this one here, for instance, we get a detailed overview of this particular threat in plain language. What happened? This was a command and control attack that tried to steal some of our business files. Which machine and user were affected? When did it occur? And how did it get in? Followed by, what should we do next? Let's click over to the Artifacts section where we can see all the files and processes that were affected by this threat, and the business files that it tried to steal. Now over to the Visualizer, which will show us the life of the attack. Here's the beacon event, the thing that was caught, in this case, a fake salary report. Here's the root, Google Chrome. We see here that the fake report reached out to an IP address that we happen to know to be a command and control site. This right here is the moment of conviction, when we discovered that what was executing was a piece of malware. So we caught it, that's good, but now we need to see what else it touched prior to conviction. We can see here that it rendered using Adobe Reader. It also ran a process called Zipper. Well, that doesn't sound good. So we'll want to make sure we can clean that up because we can see that Zipper read a bunch of files. And sure enough, those files are important business documents. We can also see here that the attack wrote a couple files, a temporary file and what looks like a zip file full of documents. This is almost certainly the collection of documents meant to be exfiltrated once the threat reaches out to its command and control site. So as you can see, we're very quickly able to identify all attributes of an attack from beginning to end. How it got in, what it tried to do, and what else it touched, so that we can make sure we get it thoroughly cleaned up.